So in the question we have that 1 liter of oxygen at pressure 1 atmosphere. So volume is equal to 1 liter. Let's take V1 as volume of oxygen and P1 is the pressure of oxygen. It is 1 atmosphere. And 2 liters of nitrogen. Next, V2 is equal to 2 liters. That is volume of nitrogen is equal to 2 liters at a pressure of 0.5 atmospheres. So P2 is equal to 0.5 atm. They are introduced into a vessel with volume 1 liter. So volume V is equal to volume of a vessel, that is 1 liter. If there is no temperature change, we need to find the final pressure of the gas in atm. If this is 1 liter of oxygen and 2 liters of nitrogen, they are added into a vessel with volume 1 liter. The number of moles of oxygen will remain same even though if it's added into this container. The number of moles of nitrogen also will remain same. So we'll take number of moles of oxygen as N1 and of nitrogen we'll take N2. So number of moles here will be N1 is equal to N. So N1 plus N2 will be equal to N. N1, we know PV is equal to nRT. Temperature is constant, gas is, constant is also constant. So N1 will be P1 into P1 into V1. So N2 will also be P2 into V2. And here we'll take N as P into V. We need to find P. So N1, which is P1 into V1 plus N2, P2 into V2, N is P into V. P1 is 1 into V1 is 1 plus P2 is 2 and V2 is 0.5 is equal to P into V is 1. So 1 plus 0.5 into 2 is 1 is equal to P. P into 1 is nothing but P. So pressure is equal to 2 atm. So the option is 3.